Now we saw in video 2 how we can transform and change energy, and sometimes we make unwanted energies as well. So what we can do is to look at what is called the efficiency. In other words, how good the appliance or the technology is in converting our input energy to our desired output energy. Sometimes you might see, if you're looking around, you might see on appliances labels like the one here that is done in Spanish. You might see that there are labels that talk about the most energy efficient to the least energy efficient, and they use colour coding to make it easier on us. And as I said before, often the unwanted energy that we produce is a thing called heat energy. That's quite often. Now, you're going to know this, and you're going to have to use this equation in your test. Efficiency overall is going to be equal to how much useful energy comes out over the total energy you put in multiplied by 100. In other words, it's going to come out as a percentage. And so we see things like this, and we might hear of a percentage efficiency of certain things. For example, a car engine might be efficient about 28%. In other words, 28 out of 100 units of energy is actually used by the car or transformed by the car into useful motion. The rest is wasted, or the rest is producing unuseful energy like sound and noise and certain chemical energies that come out the back as well. Now, sometimes you see these things as well, and this is very popular with selling appliances to families, and it's called the star ratings. And we can see that certain star ratings tell us the energy rating of something. Now, a lot of people get confused with this and think it's a efficiency calculation. It's not. It's a comparison. As it says here I did the Google search on it. That's why you've got the Google search here. It just tells us that it's a comparison between one and its competitors. So one appliance, so you might see this on a fridge, and that means that is its rating compared to its competitors. So obviously we're looking for the most stars that are there to tell you the most competitive one or most efficient one on the market. It doesn't mean to say that it's 100% efficient. It does not mean to say that it's even 60% efficient. It just means to say that it is more efficient than its competition.